clean the watch screen. Fold the sheet sideways and remove the cut from the sheet. Make sure all 3 layers are removed from the sheet. Partially peel off the bottom layer from the cut, fold it outward, and carefully align and adhere it to the watch's screen. Check if the alignment is correct. If the alignment is incorrect, lift all the 3 layers and adjust the alignment. Peel off the top layer from a corner, keeping the hydrogel on the watch. Using the squeegee, push out the bubbles in the corners. The bubbles, lines and shades will disappear automatically within 24 hours.